And of course, our old standard email marketing, which of course is the key to digital first. We've got to do a good job at this. My big thing is integration with CRM should be a top consideration. That's why these systems like Vuture and Concept have become really embedded, because they do integrate with a lot of different CRM systems that are built for law firms, and they're totally integrated. They've already done the work. Don't have to do any custom integrations. I've also seen a trend of some firms considering other non-legal vertical specific e-marketing systems like Marketo, Eloqua, Pardot, HubSpot. Some of them work with very specific systems, and these are really big tools. They're really designed for things like marketing automation. The thing to understand, though, is they don't necessarily integrate with all the legal CRM systems or any of the legal. Some of them don't integrate with any of the systems. So you basically got two CRMs or two disconnected silos of data, which is another big pain point.
This is one of my biggest pain points for my clients and being in-house, seeing both sides, Chris. Email marketing to me is the most important way to communicate with your clients, particularly if you're producing high value content, meaning client alerts and blog posts and all those things. You need to do email marketing, number one, right? Your list need to be good. We'll talk all about, data quality management, all that stuff, but so many firms are using Constant Contact and MailChimp, and the systems aren't talking. You're uploading lists, or you're relying on old lists that are living in those systems. And particularly for small and mid-sized firms, you cannot, number one, you need a CRM. Number two, you have to have an integrated email marketing tool with your CRM. And otherwise you're just spinning wheels trying to figure out well, did they open up our email? You're not really benefiting from these things that you're doing. And you could be so much more sophisticated about it. Right?